Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online events with Eventbrite step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Eventbrite account. Navigate to the event you want to secure. Click on the Manage tab located at the top of the page. Scroll down to find the Event Settings section. Select Privacy and Security from the available options. Look for the ticketing settings. Choose whether you want to make your event public, private, or password protected. If you select private, only invited guests can view your event. For a password protected event, enter a strong, unique password. Save your changes to ensure your settings are applied. Next, consider enabling the waitlist feature. This allows you to manage overbooking while maintaining security. Find the Attendees section in the Manage tab. Enable the waitlist option for your event. You can customize limits to control the maximum number of attendees. After that, secure your ticket sales. Set up an early bird pricing strategy to create urgency. Ensure that only verified attendees receive confirmation emails. You can customize these emails to include unique access instructions. Monitor registrations closely through the Eventbrite dashboard. Set up alerts for any unusual activity. Consider using unique QR codes for each ticket. This prevents unauthorized entries and enhances security checks. Lastly, review your security protocols before the event day. Ensure all team members are aware of their roles. Stay prepared to address any potential security concerns during the event. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your online event using Eventbrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.